can skip in them, which is a pretty good sign of a comfy heel. Good morning, welcome to the vlog. Ignore the washer in the background, she's kind of loud. It is 10:08, it's Monday, new week, fun stuff. I just got back from running some errands. I went to Whole Foods to get a few things. And then I had a fun little altercation with a biker. Bikers, if you are a biker on the road, they piss me off so much. I totally understand share the road. I get that, I know it, I do it. 2 left turning lanes. He is here, I am here because I have to turn right after I turn left. So I start going and then he fully cuts me off. Fully, and like it's car versus bike. Car is going to win, bro. Like you are going to get hit. And so I honked at him and then he flipped me off and threw his water bottle at my car. So if that was you, I hope you have a terrible day. I was in such a good mood this morning and now I have to like rework to get that because I was in the right. I was in the right. You cannot just cut off a car. I am sharing the road and we were in different lanes and you cut me off. So yes, I'm going to honk at you. It's okay, I'm fine. I'm a little heated, but it's fine. We're still gonna have a good day. We're still gonna have a good week. We're gonna try to. As Mondays usually go, that is the day we like to get things done. I did not go grocery shopping this morning because I'm actually leaving for a trip on Thursday and I should have enough to get me there. So that's a nice little bonus. I just need to get a few things from Whole Foods. And then also today, I'm very excited. Let me go get it. I got this yesterday and I am so excited. If you've been watching me for a while, or maybe you've run across a specific video when I got my iMac. I got my iMac because my laptop just bricked out and died. Literally, the Apple Store couldn't explain it, couldn't do anything for me without paying like $600. So I did not have my laptop. It like lost all my info, everything. Incredibly heartbreaking. And so I got an iMac from that because I did not trust laptops from then on out because that just like, they like could not explain why it happened. Like I literally used it the day before, it was working fine. I opened it the next day and completely frozen. And that just like really terrified me. But I did end up getting a MacBook Air. I'm very excited. Laptops are just like way more convenient for everything, literally everything. And we've been saving up and we finally hit it. This is literally the most basic one you can get. It's a MacBook Air because the one that bricked out on me was a Pro, and so now I just don't trust Pros, but my Airs have never steered me wrong. So we are gonna unbox this in a second. Delivered. These are supposed to be shoes. Whole debacle. It was through like one of those third party, like not FedEx, UPS, whatever, and they like delivered it and they put the picture and it was just like next to a water fountain, and I was like, that's not the package room. Like I have no idea like what that is. And so I went down to the front desk and I was like, hi, do you recognize where this picture? Then thankfully he did. It was across the street at the sister property, but I got my shoes, so it's okay. Let's see if they were worth the hunt. I got them from Just Fab. I did that thing like where you can get your first pair for $10 And then I'm just gonna cancel my membership because I don't need that many shoes. I just really wanted these like specific style. These are gonna be really good for fall. And I don't know, we're gonna find out. Those look really tall. Do those look tall? I feel like those are way taller than I thought they were going to be, but they're a nice shine. Time for a try on. I need to put on shorts so I can like actually see what they look like. I did order them in half a size bigger than my usual size so I can wear thicker socks with them to like avoid blisters and make the fit comfier. So if they're a little big, no biggies. I feel like you're missing the best part of the show. Okay, they're not too tall. Wait. Those feel cute. I haven't looked in the mirror, but they feel easy to walk in. You gotta do the strut test. Can you move? Can you move so I can do the strut test? Thank you. Stay right there. I gotta do the strut test. And turn. I can skip in them, which is a pretty good sign of a comfy heel. Full outfit. I'm gonna have to go way far back. Can you see now? What do we think? Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. Well worth the hunt. Well worth $10. I just got done making my packing list and I FaceTimed my mom to see what the weather situation was because I know it's supposed to be hot. And then I called her and I was like, is it like hot? And she was like, yeah, it's hot. So that's fun. It should be a very light suitcase, duffel, because I'm only there for 2 full days. I'm there for 4 days, but 2 full days. And it'll be hot, so we don't need to bring anything bulky. So I'm just gonna gather all the stuff on my list, try it on, and we'll go from there. I actually think this is all I'm gonna need, which is crazy. All right, outfit number 1. I just want something like comfy, cute, just to wear around town. Probably be my Thursday outfit, like after I fly in. This is another option. I can't tell if this is like too patriotic. It might be, but I do also have this shirt that's still a vest that could maybe work without being so aggressive, but I think I'll just take them both just because I'm gonna have the space in my bag anyway, so might as well. This is gonna be another outfit for like a nicer night, like if we go to dinner somewhere nice. I've been dying to wear this shirt since I bought it and I can never find an outfit I like with it, but I think this works. And then if I want to wear it more casually, I can just pair it with denim shorts and that should be fine. I'm packing a lot of red, white, and blue because like unironically those are my favorite colors right now. Like I'm obsessed with red. My family is just obsessed with blue, just like in general. And so like I just like am creating a sea of red, white, and blue for no, it's like not on purpose. And then I'm just gonna take some like plain shirts and a bodysuit and a tank top and another plain shirt, just if it's like way too casual. I like to pack things in a duffel. I avoid checking a suitcase at all costs, but I have come to accept that I do need to get at least a roller carry-on this year because we had some longer trips. Usually our trips are just like for the weekends, long weekends, but we had some week-long trips and it's really hard to fit everything in a duffel. I don't know if I mentioned where I'm going, but I'm going home to Texas for the weekend because my high school drill team is having a little reunion. Not like specifically my year, thankfully, but just like the entirety of its existence is being celebrated. I guess it's like the 40th year or something. And so I'm gonna go down and see all my friends. I usually only get to see my high school friends once a year at Thanksgiving or Christmas because we all live all over the place now. It'll be nice to see that. And then I think my high school friends that aren't on drill team are also gonna be in town, just like coincidentally, which is really the universe pulling its weight. So I get to see them too. So it should be a fun weekend. I do love going home. I try to go as often as I can, but it's a long flight. It's a long drive from the airport because I don't live near an airport. Can be difficult sometimes, but we're gonna make it work this weekend. It'll be super fun. And I get to eat all my favorite food, which I'm very excited about. And I have half a bag left. That's amazing. I love when it's going to be warm where I'm going because it just like takes up so little room. Hello, it is 12:10. I'm very stressed out. I'm panicked. It's okay. I'm trying to remind myself we have enough time. I have 50 minutes to do my makeup, take the dog out, eat something, and get on the train. And that is enough time. Do my makeup super fast. I'm good at that. I'm good at doing it fast, so I just need to, it's gonna be okay. Don't even know what I was stressed about. That took me 5 minutes. I always forget that I can just like knock it out because I don't wear super heavy makeup. I'm feeling better. There we go. This is the outfit I'm going with. This is a white dress that I just have been wearing to death for some reason. I just love this look and it's a go-to and it's fine. I've never worn the green sweater with it. I have worn the brown sweater and a few others, but this is fine. Green sweater is from Old Navy, and then I've got 2 little necklaces on, got my earrings on. I painted my nails this morning. So I'm going to make a ham sandwich really quickly and eat that so I'm not like starved, because I think I'm gonna get there around like 2:45. I don't know. I'm stressing myself out again. I'm gonna make a sandwich. A lanternfly just flew into my face. But we're on the way.